Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create a business-focused visual using Smudge tool in Photoshop. I open Photoshop and place a business design where everything feels equally loud. I stop here because focus is everything in business communication. I duplicate the layer to work freely. I select the Smudge tool and lower the strength immediately. Slowly, I soften background areas that distract from the main message. I pause and observe how attention starts shifting naturally. I zoom in and gently smudge outer edges, keeping the center sharp. I remind myself not to rush because precision builds professionalism. I zoom out and feel clarity returning. The business message now stands strong while the background